Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Neetika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. Today, first I will discuss some important data came in the last week, I guess on 12th April, and then I will discuss the Nifty 50, Nifty bank level for the next week, and then yes, this is Q4 रिजल्ट सीरीज स्टार्टेड. अब Q4 रिजल्ट्स आना शुरू हो गए हैं. So I am starting Q4 result series in which I will come up with the good Q4 result stock, which the stock which is posting good Q4 results, and the strong, fundamentally strong stock, and I will discuss the buying level and technical level also. So today I have got one IT stock. To find out the name that stock, stay connected till then and hit the like button now. So let's first start with the important data came in the last week, in which the first one is CPI data, means inflation data. Yes, India's March retail inflation eases to 5.66%. The 5.66% पे आ गया है in March. Okay, and this is lowest also since December 2021. इंडियाज रिटेल इन्फ्लेशन जो है डेटा फ्रॉम द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिक्स एंड प्रोग्राम इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, उन्होंने ये डेटा रिलीज किया है जिसको कहते हैं शॉर्ट में MOSPI. They showed this data on Wednesday. This is the lowest since December 2021 also, and the urban inflation is 5.89% and the rural inflation is 5.5%. Or the inflation in the same month, means in March month in last year, I mean 2022, it was 6.95%. मतलब सेम ईयर लास्ट ईयर में सेम मंथ में दिस इन्फ्लेशन डेटा वॉज 6.95% था. एंड इन लास्ट मंथ, इन आई मीन फरवरी में दिस रिटेल इन्फ्लेशन डेटा, दिस डेटा वॉज 6.44%. मीन्स February से मार्च में, from February to March, it has become now 5.66% from 6.44%. And if we'll compare Y on Y, it was 6.95%. Now it has become 5.66%. So this was CPI data, and which is actually good news. तो RBI का बैंड है वो 6% है. So still it is little less from 6%, but still अभी ये ओनली मार्च का डेटा है. तो हमको एक क्वार्टर के हिसाब से देखना पड़ता है कि आरबीआई के बैंड में आता है कि नहीं, बट स्टिल इट इज लेस देन 6%. तो इट इज ओके मीन्स ओवरऑल ओके न्यूज. नाउ we'll discuss the IIP data. एक IIP डेटा भी आया है विच इज इंडेक्स ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्शन. IIP डेटा, इट हैज ग्रू, ये बढ़ गया है. इट हैज ग्रू बाय 5.6% इन फरवरी. इट हैज कम ऑफ फरवरी मंथ का आया है. तो इट हैज बिकम 5.6% इन फरवरी. एंड ये भी डेटा जो है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिक्स ने रिलीज किया है ऑन अप्रैल 12. और इंडिया ग्रोथ एज पर द आईआईपी इन जनवरी हैज बीन रिवाइज अप टू 5.5%. आईआईपी डेटा 5.6% बढ़ गया है, ग्रो हुआ है. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो ए गुड न्यूज. नाउ we will come to our Nifty 50 chart. So now we have come to the Nifty 50 chart. Nifty 50, even I did not make the video last week, and I have posted the Nifty 50 level for the last week in short video. So you can check that videos also. I will give in those video in I button, Nifty 50 and Nifty bank also. But this time I am discussing this level. So let's discuss the Nifty 50 chart. What is happening on the chart? Nifty 50 is trading at 17,800 के आसपास. In my last video, in my last video, I gave the resistance of 17,800. So it was exactly, it was on Thursday it was standing at 17,800. Even on Friday, I think Friday it was, I guess, a holiday. On Thursday, yes, on Thursday it was even trading at this same level, 17,830 820 के आसपास ही ये पूरे टाइम घूमता रहा. So अभी भी it has not broken strongly the 17,800, but looking very strong. So I am expecting it should break this level on Monday, but we have to watch this level on Monday ki is it breaking or not. If it's breaking this level, it can go to first 18,000, and then from there it can also go to 18,100 for the next week. But if it's not breaking this 17,800, then it will come back to 17,650 या 700 के आसपास. 17,000, I am expecting 17,650. So this is two level I am expecting in next week for the Nifty 50. But above level, upper level can only come after breaking this 17,800 strongly. So what can be the Nifty trading range for the next week? Yes, of course, from 17,650 to 18,100. But नीचे के लेवल पे अगर ये भी तोड़ देता है तो लेट्स विल सी ये होता है कि नहीं. बट इफ इट हैपेंस तो एक ये अच्छा सपोर्ट है हियर एट 200 ईएमए पे. तो इट विल टेक सपोर्ट हियर. बट आई एम नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग कि इट विल ब्रेक दिस लेवल इन नेक्स्ट वीक. लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. सो अभी यही लेवल हो सकता है, मे बी 17,650 to 18,100. Now we'll discuss the Nifty Bank level. So now we have come to the Nifty Bank chart. Let's see what's happening on the Nifty Bank chart. Nifty Bank is trading at 42,130. Nifty Bank was very positive. Even my last video, I will give the link in I button. In my last video, I have given the level of 41,500 somewhere, I guess. Yes, यहाँ के आसपास. And that level actually has been broken. वो लेवल बहुत आराम से निफ्टी बैंक ने तोड़ दिया. एंड इवन ऑन लास्ट थर्सडे it was very positive. Look, it was looking very positive and very strong. So I'm expecting more good from Nifty Bank. और अभी ये एग्जैक्टली एक रेजिस्टेंस पे खड़ा हुआ है. दिस इज वन स्मॉल रेजिस्टेंस विच इज 42,200 के आसपास. यस, 42,200 is a small resistance, and I if it's breaking it, I guess it will break it. So if it's breaking 42,200 जहाँ की exactly वो खड़ा हुआ है, it will definitely go, तुरंत ही ये चला जाएगा 42,400 के आसपास. तो अभी फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग द रेजिस्टेंस एट 42,400 के आसपास. बट नीचे के लेवल पे अगर जाता है तो अभी बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग लेवल इसका होगा, सपोर्ट होगा 41,550 या 41,600. ऐसा ही कुछ 550-600 के आसपास एक सपोर्ट होता है इसका. If it falls, it can touch this 41,600 550 level. और अगर ये तोड़ता है तो फिर I will expect more fall. Let's see what happens. We'll watch on Monday. So trading range for the Nifty Bank for the next week can be 41,550 to 42,400. ये एरिया 41,550 to 42,400 can be the trading range for the Nifty Bank for the next week. So now I've come to this stock which is from IT sector, and yes, this is sector leader also, and this is TCS, yes, Tata company TCS, and TCS is actually IT giant. We call it IT giant. It has posted Q4 results in last week on 12th of April, and result was okay. I will not say it was unexpected, very good, very very good results. It was okay, but the company in like TCS sometime posting result okay, moderate, and sometime posting very good does not affect their value. Yes, these stocks are fundamentally very strong, and we call it like always ये एक अच्छा रिटर्न्स देती रहती हैं. So I will discuss its fundamental and buying level. So it is on very good buying level. But let me first discuss its Q4 results, and then I will discuss the buying level. So TCS actually net profit, TCS net profit increased by 14.8%, means almost 15%, 14.8% to rupees 11,350 crore in Q4. And the same Q4 in 2022, the profit was 9,959 crore. So means Y on Y 15%, almost 15% का jump है in net profit Y on Y. It was in last year it was 9,959 crore, and this year it has become increased by 11,350 crore. And the revenue, yes, the company reported revenue of rupees 58,229 crore in last year. Yes, and the company reported revenue of rupees 58,229 crore. Yes, and the TCS earning before interest and tax EBIT margin grew by 53 bps. So overall, and company has given the 24 rupees 24 per share dividend also. So TCS has given dividend of rupees 24 per share. Recorded or ex date will come in later in their board of meeting, जो अभी decided नहीं है, but the dividend amount is 24 rupees per share. So this was actually Q4 results. Now let me discuss the fundamental. Yes, before that, let me tell you about company. The TCS is the flagship company and a part of Tata Group. It is an IT services, consulting, and business solution organization that has been partnering with many of the world's organization also. सो ये सिर्फ इंडिया में नहीं है, पूरे वर्ल्ड में दे आर वर्किंग. इनका सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करती है ये अपने इन ओवरऑल वर्ल्ड, स्पेशली इन यूएस, यूरोप एंड ऑल. So now let's discuss the fundamental. The market cap of this company is 11 lakh 66,817 crore. Yes, this is a large cap company. Stock P is 27.7, which is reasonably valued. Yes, बहुत ही अच्छे valuation पे ये stock available है. 27 है, जबकि इसका इंडस्ट्री पी से अगर कंपेयर करें तो 25.6 है. इसलिए हम इसको बोलते हैं कि दिस इज द रीजनेबल वैल्यूड, बहुत ही अच्छे वैल्यूएशन पे मिल रहा है, वरना ये ज़्यादा नीचे कभी नहीं गिरता है. सो स्टॉक जो है बहुत ही अच्छे वैल्यूएशन पे अवेलेबल है. ROC इज ऑलमोस्ट 59.1, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 60%. 60% ROC is a very good sign for the company. Return on equity is 46.9, means almost 47%. This is also showing the strength of the company, means how much you are earning from a equity. 47%. Dividend is also very good, 1.35%, and debt to equity almost debt free company, 0.09, almost negligible. EPS is 115, 115, and the operating profit margin is 26.3%. Means overall company is very very strong. और अगर ये किसी वजह से गिरती है, so means it is a big opportunity for you all to accumulate this, start accumulating this stock. I always talk about long term in my long videos. So now we'll discuss the technical level. So TCS is trading at C is trading at 3100, क्या means 3200 के आसपास, yes, or which is also a good buying level, yes, but I am thinking as the Infosys का भी result आया है, which is also not that good. और उसकी वजह से जो है एडीआर में इन्फोसिस एडीआर भी लास्ट फ्राइडे यूएस में ऑलमोस्ट 9 to 10%, आई गेस 9 to 8% गिरा था. सो मे बी अभी आईटी के रिजल्ट्स उतने अच्छे नहीं आ रहे हैं, तो मे बी आईटी सेक्टर निफ्टी आईटी will fall little bit, will fall more. If it happens, अगर ऐसा होता है तो it's a very good opportunity to buy these stocks like TCS, Infi, like good stock in IT sector. So अभी ये 3200 के आसपास है. एक टाइम पे ये आया भी था 2900 के आसपास, बट जल्दी इसके नीचे नहीं जाता. ये इसका बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट है. So I don't know it will come or not, but if it's coming at this level 3000, it will be a very good buying zone. ये buying zone तो यही है इसका. It will a very good buying price for the TCS. और 3000 से लेके 3100 के आसपास तो it is a very good demand zone. It is a very good demand zone for the TCS. So let's see if it's come. अभी तो ये 3200 के आसपास ही है. So if you want, you can accumulate here also. It will definitely come to 3100, 3100. But let's see it is breaking this level or not. If it's breaking 3100, then it will come to this level 3000, and you can accumulate this here also. So start with a small quantity, small chunk. Don't buy means all together. Start with a small quantity. So keep averaging it. So let's see what happens on Monday. But अगर ये थोड़ा गिरता है तो this is the buying zone, demand zone for the TCS. And I am expecting if it's breaking this level, ये वाला, this is a 200 EMA for the TCS. If it's breaking this 200 EMA, it means 3300 level, it will definitely go to 3400 to 3500 level. Definitely it will go, but first it has to break this level. So you have to wait, you have to keep holding this stock till breaking this level. So the buying zone for the TCS is 3000 to 3100, and after breaking 3300 it can reach to 3400 plus level. So keep liking and sharing these videos. Signing off.